How's it going? I am Jerry, the solar consultant, and today we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why people go solar in Utah, especially those who have Rocky Mountain Power as their utility provider. And I'm sharing my screen here. The first thing you're going to see, the number one reason, is people want to save money. So here actually is a chart, or a graph, I should say, that represents Rocky Mountain Power rate increases since 1999 all the way to 2015. So you can see that this is an ever rising bill. And let's take a look at some of these rate increases specifically. Here you can see all of the rate increases. This is 2003 here. You can see they got a 7.2% increase. 2005, they got a 6.8% increase. 2007, 5.4, 3.8, 6.8, 10% increase, 8%, 8%, 3%, 2%. So if you add all these up, it's about 4.6% increase a year since 2003. And since 2003, powers went up about 60%. So who in their right mind would stay on this if they have a choice, right? It's an ever-rising bill that you never pay off, ever. So this is the number one reason why people go solar. I'm going to show you this. This is a representation. So if let's say your bill is an average of $100 a month now. So at 4.6% a year, in 5 years, that $100 bill, the same energy is going to be $125 a month, average, every single month. 10 years, it's going to be $156 a month. 15 years, it's going to be $196 a month. And in 20 years, it'll be $245 a month. If you went solar, let's say you came in and your average $100 bill is only $80 now with solar. You're going to be fixed at that $80 for 30 years, whereas all your neighbors are going to be on this. Those are the main reasons why people go solar. The second reason people go solar is for the home value add. Here's realtor.com, which is the Realtor Bible, you could say. The top 15 features that will sell your home fast and for more cash. If you go down here, number 5 is solar panels. And they say it adds about a 3 to 4% value increase for solar on your home. So that is the second reason. The last reason is obviously environmental reasons. So solar keeps the air cleaner, so it doesn't require coal to be burnt. So you're saving emissions into the environment, especially in Utah. You drive by that Orem facility, you'll see the emissions coming out of it. And it also saves water because water is required to cool in order to produce the power. So you also are saving carbon emissions. So every home that goes solar, they say it's about 10,000 pounds of carbon emissions a year out of the environment. So I don't know about you, I like Earth. I want it to be here a long time for my kids. So it feels good to do your part by going solar. So those are the 3 reasons why. If you are interested in getting a quote about solar in Utah, just for us giving you a solar energy savings report to find out if it even makes sense for you, you get a $25 Amazon gift card for doing that. So just click the link below in the video, and it'll take you to a few questions that you can see if you qualify for it. And then we'll talk to you soon. I hope you have a great day. Take care.